This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Roblox commands. These commands offer a powerful way to interact with your game environment and other players directly through text. You can use them to change your character, send private messages, or even manage game settings if you have the right permissions. They provide a quick, text-based interface to perform various actions, enhancing your overall experience. Let us begin. To start using commands, simply press the // key on your keyboard. This will automatically open the chat window for you. Every command must begin with that /, then the command's name, like /me or /w. Correct syntax is crucial, ensuring you spell the command accurately and include any necessary arguments, such as a player's name or a specific value. Mastering this basic structure is your first step to effective command use. Now, let us explore some essential commands you will frequently use. The /me command is fantastic for expressing actions in the chat. For example, typing /me waves hello makes your character appear to wave. For private conversations, use /w or /whisper followed by a player's name and your message. Many games also include special emote commands such as /edance or /ewave, letting your character perform fun animations in-game. Beyond standard player interactions, some games allow for powerful admin commands, typically reserved for game owners or trusted moderators. These commands let you manage the server, with actions like /kick player name to remove a disruptive player or /teleport player name destination to move someone. You must possess the necessary administrative permissions within a particular game to successfully execute any of these powerful commands, ensuring fair play and control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.